Dito tayo sa Green Hills, going to Cebu City. Kasi tumigil na yung ulan. Kanina ang lakas. Ayun yung Cebu. Tulog. Pati naman may magandang parking. Tropical ha. Okay. May music museum. Dito tayo. Ang kakin sarap. Soul gospel. Ito po. Pasok tayo. Evening. Tayo sa Formation House charity event.
Wala na po 1,000.
Ano?
Wala na 1,000.
Wala na?
Wala na po. 2,000 na po.
Ano siya? Anong ano nyo? Conglomerate? Ano tawag?
Ba sila?
Hotel. So, ito yung loob. Anong ano nyo? Sister, ano yung pangalan ng congregation? Daughters of St. Paul. Yung ba yung sa North?
No, sa Pasay na.
Pasay, okay. Thank you. Ito yung kanilang mga ano, si Dulce, makikita natin.
Paupuin mo na siya sa loob. Oo.
Si Token,
Kaiba kayo ng ano? Hindi.
1,000, 1,000. Yung mga performers, marami. Sa ito yung loob. Ano yan ha? Hiram ko lang. Ito yung mga makikita natin. Jim. Kiku. Isis Queen of Song. Divine. Meron silang drinks dito. Taka. Oh yeah, meron sila. Martin and Pops. May pianong mahaba. Ganda ng mga ano, painting sa taas. Hindi pa ako makapasok mamaya pag may dumating na yung ticket ko. So ito, punta lang. Mga sisters na doon. Pag-ikot natin. Ako kasama.
May
Ticket. No, okay, thank you.
At this moment, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to request everyone to please direct your attention here in front as we watch the video of FSB.
Our province is composed of 4 countries where we are present in both the East and West, to Papua New Guinea, And thanks to the missionary project of 1994, the Thailand community was founded, with the first two vocations making their perpetual vows in 2018. Carrying
Holy Mother of our Savior, the Spirit dwells in you. Oh, how great is your beauty! Endless grace bestowed on you. Holy Mother of our Savior, blessed are you. From among all women, God has chosen you. Oh, blessed Mary, your faith is everlasting, remaining ever virgin. Your heart immaculate, oh, blessed Mary.
Sister,